हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम है नूर और आज हम पढ़ेंगे टेबल ऑफ 4 and 5। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. So let's read once again. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. अगर आपको मेरा आज का ये 4 and 5 टेबल पसंद आया हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तब तक के लिए बाय। कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग।